course, next lessons as well, because we just start talking today about rainforests. And you have got handouts on your desks. Two piles. There are two piles. One pile is a book. Okay, it's up. Do you see this? Yeah, it is just fixed. Yeah. The second pile is information. So we are collecting data today. Yeah, we are reading, we are using resources, and filling the charts, the tables. Yeah, to prepare yourself for report writing. Yeah, first, task number one. Do you understand the task? Vika, can you read for us the task?
The article about rainforest underlying useful information.
Okay. Do you understand, everybody?
Yes.
Yes. So you underline useful information, and the question is, what information is useful for us? What kind of information we are looking for? Types of rainforest, location, area, right?
Climate.
Very nice choir today, I forgot. Okay, so Nastya, what else? Climate, you told. What else? Important. And other interesting facts.
But remember, we write about rainforest.
Yes.
You have interesting information about forest, but we write about rainforest.
So be careful. Don't write everything.
Three words. That's all. Short answers. Short.
So we concentrate on Africa. Yeah. Just let's share the information what you have found, and you can add some more ideas just if you haven't found anything. Yeah, you can look also just on the screen, just you will find some more ideas. No, first one, types. What have you found about types? Так, not area.
They are temperate and tropical
Rain. Okay, temperate and tropical. Location. Where are these forests located? Alisa?
Tropical rainforests are located along the
Equator.
equator,
Mhm.
and temperate rainforests are found in the temperate zones
Yeah, temperate zones
around the world.
around the world. So, is it clear what is temperate zone around the world? Where?
Chile, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Norway, and the United Kingdom.
What about Latvia? What kind of forest do we have in Latvia? Temperate or rainforest?
Temperate.
Temperate, yes, of course. Temperate forest. In Africa, where you can find tropical rainforests?
You can find in West Africa and in Central Africa.
In Central Africa. Can you find on the copy of what countries?
Yes.
Eric, can you go?
Vocabulary.
Yeah, just okay.
no,
The last
no.
page is vocabulary. You can read very awful pronunciation of countries. Okay. We have got, yeah, you can find help, yeah, how to pronounce. Mohammed? Cameroon, okay.
Congo,
Congo, okay.
Democratic Republic of Congo.
West Africa, it is 2.6 million square miles.
Miles, but in kilometers, how many kilometers?
3.6 million square
Kilometers.
kilometers.
Okay, good. Climate. What about the climate? Who can help us? Milan, can you help us with climate?
Temperature, rainfall.
Warm and wet, so, okay, what else you can say? Yeah, Polina.
So high amount
annual rainfall.
So, high amount of annual rainfall. Do you understand this? What is it? High amount of annual rainfall. So, what is annual? You understand the word annual? Go to vocabulary. What is annual? It happens?
Once every month.
Yeah, once every year. How much rain? Again?
Once a year.
How much?
50.
Masha?
50.
No, say how much?
From 50 to
Two.
2000.
No, 100.
Wait, 260
Inches.
Inches.
Have you found what is inches?
Yes.
Can you say that in centimeters in our normal measurement? In centimeters, how many? About
254.
No, so it means we multiply, yes, this, but in centimeters it is 125, yes, centimeters. But is it for Africa? Is this number for Africa? Beatrice says,
Yes.
How much is in Africa? Is it more or less?
Less.
Rain, less rain, okay.
About 6.
Say in the normal numbers, in centimeters.
1,000.
Wow, 1,000.
160 and 2,000.
200 centimeters, yeah? Okay, can you imagine this size? About 2 meters, yeah? Just like our class, yeah? Just this. And why? Comparing to other rainforests, why we have got less rain?
Cold maybe. Because there is maybe warm and wet season.
Why important? Так, no, who didn't speak? Rodion, say us something.
Trees and other plants in the forest help to make the air.
Так, okay, so because all plants produce what?
Air.
Air, oxygen for us.
Also, they help to control the weather, and there live a lot of animals.
Так, okay, this the main idea control. Secondly, control the weather and lots of species of animals.
Yeah.
Yes. Livia.
Source fresh water, give us wood, rubber, fruits, and many of our
Medicine.
In fact, the Amazon basin
Basin?
is the source of the earth fresh water.
So the biggest Amazon, yeah, just the biggest source of fresh water, right?
Many birds, insects and reptiles live in the trees over 30 meters from the ground.
Rainforests are responsible for 28% of the world's oxygen production.
Yeah, so just quite a lot, yeah? Okay, let's go to another page. So, yeah, maybe this information, yes. Okay, here. This one, page, yes, for you. What do you think this is about?
About plants.
About plants, okay. So, look,
on different layers.
layers, okay. There was the last sentence on your first page. Yes, layers. What is layers? I don't understand that. Yeah, levels, we can say, yeah. As you have level of English, the same there are 4. Okay. Also just, Natalia, just basically floors.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, like at school, yeah. What floor we are? 4. On the 3rd in English. Oh, yes. Okay, so now let's speak about floor. Do you know anything about layers in a tropical forest? Do you know anything?
That there are trees that are 50, from 50 to 70
Meters, yes, okay. No, so you see here, and again, handout number 2. Here you can make some handicrafts. Yeah, you need scissors, you need glue stick, and your task is, who has found number 2? No, handout number 2. Milana, can you read for us the task? Yeah?
It's about the layers of the rainforest. Label every layer with short information into the
Appropriate. Inappropriate box. So you have got 4 boxes, you have got 4 descriptions, and your task is to read and to understand what layer is described here. You have got numbers, yeah? And you write here, you can write the name of the layer and stick, cut and stick. You can help with scissors for the chair. And those who have finished, look again at the descriptions of layers and decide which one would you like better. You have got a house, a tree house on the desk. Write your name and write the layer. Where would you like to live? And why? Just 1, 2 words. Why?
Name, your name,
Your name, right?
layer.
Then you will stick on the on the board. The here is we have got rainforest with layers. Yeah. Do you understand what layer is here?
Forest.
Don't say What layer is here? Down.
Forest.
Fourth floor. Okay. What is layer here? Understory. Okay. What is there? Canopy and up. Emergent. Okay. Yes. Okay. Where would you like to live?
I think in canopy
Canopy. Why?
because it is like a middle.
Aha. Yeah.
It
Okay.
is not so cold, it is not so hot, so
In the middle.
yeah.
I'd like to live in the understory level because it is not too hot in there and like dark.
Oh. Why?
I love it in those big size watch of rainforest.
I want to live there because there are too much insects and animals, but there are a lot of stuff.
I like to live there because I like the dark and there is not so hot and not so cold.
You like